Hello everyone. There is strong issue in the market. Today, over 100 million beginner investors are entering the market globally, but 80% lose money within the first year. Why? Because there is no single easy to use platform that offers real time market analysis, AI driven insights, and a safe place to learn by doing. Most tools are built for pro, they are complex, overwhelming, and lack real time intelligence. That's the burning problem, and we are solving it by introducing our product NeuroTicker. We have built an Sonar API powered investment platform that designed for the modern users with the following features as follows. So over to you, Kaushal.
Hello guys, let me walk you through to the key features of NeuroTicker. First is Mapboard. It's like your global stock news radar powered by Sonar API. It fetches real-time summarized news from different countries along with the sources. You'll find curated updates in global stock news and financial news pop-ups, all at your fingertips. Next is the trading dashboard. We use paper trading to simulate real-world trading with live US market data. You will see real-time charts and a Sonar screener which gives a detailed news analysis of the specific stock you selected. Also, we have a Sonar Market Analyst, which shows technical key indicators like RSI, MACD, 52-week summaries, etc., plus the fundamental data too. You can place trades, track profits, and manage all your watch lists in one smooth experience. Over to you, Vedant.
And we also have a compare stock feature where if a user is confused between the two stocks from the same sector, they can put the tickers here and they can just basically compare the stock. So compare stocks gives us charts and basically technical data about both of the stocks. They also provide latest financial news happening in the sector, and thus we also recommend which stocks we need to buy from our buy recommendation feature. And we also have a Telegram bot feature which can be enabled through user settings, and thus it allows user to basically buy, sell, and create alert through the Telegram. And we can also chat with a bot from here. So let's say if I want to ask the question that how is Microsoft stock moving in past 2 days, so we can just ask it. It will process the query and it will provide the response. Over to you, Mans.
So, hey, also the main key feature of our NeuroTicker application is research. The research is used to make the user take his decision quickly. We are integrating Alpaca's API with Sonar API. Alpaca we are using to fetch the user's portfolio and giving the context of user's portfolio to Sonar API, and the Sonar will give the personalized response according to user's request. For example, if user wants to take advice whether he should buy, sell, or hold his current position, then the Sonar will help him in his further action. Over to you, Yash.
So this product is not just built for the hackathon. We will make we are we having the future innovation roadmap as follows. In the quarter third of the 2025, we will be building sentiment heat map. In the quarter fourth of the 2025, we will be building social trading feed. In the quarter first of the 2026, we will be building earnings calendar. In the quarter second of the 2026, we will be building local investment radar. And for the monetization, we will be having the three plans: free plan, premium plan, and the pro trader plan. We will be introducing the algo trading and the live trading feature also. So hope you like the product. Thank you.